I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. It's been a minute, I ain't worried about the weight. In the club, popping bottles, straight finesse. The only thing in the kitchen cooking is the chef. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. It's been a minute, I ain't worried about the weight. In the club, popping bottles, straight finesse. The only thing in the kitchen cooking is the chef. Oh, no, yup, he back again. Throw them hands up in the air because he go win. And his beat is knocking and make him wanna grab his pen and jot down the words.
Great people came in. The white and black great leaders came here to have meetings. It's just a whole story. I can go on and on and on. But we're gonna visit the grave site after we leave here, just to give our homage to. I just want to touch it, take a picture with that monument. It's beautiful, all marble. I love it. So I just wanted to say those words. When I'm in this building, I'm really emotional because Miss Chasen's here. You know, I was supposed to meet her in 2019, but she passed away on the 1st of June. We was here for the whole weekend, so I'll be giving you a citation to the Stella Chasen's family. So it's amazing that you're in this historical building. They started on a corner as a soda shop.
Poor boy shop.
Poor boys? Oh, we call them Huggies in Philly. Huggies. Okay, so Ms. Chase, you want to say something right quick? You want to say something right quick and we'll get to the pastor?
Yeah, I don't want to stay too long. I just want to do a welcome, and tomorrow I'll say more about our restaurant and more about you and wish you well in your careers. But my name is Stella Chase Reese, and on behalf of the Chase family, I'd like to welcome you to the historic Dookie Chase's restaurant. And I don't like to get in between hungry people and their food, you know. We all know how that can be. And so tomorrow I'll have say more to everyone. I don't want to repeat myself, but just to tell each and every one of you, you're truly welcome here. And thank you for what you are doing. You are taking your talents and using them to the honor and glory, not only yourself, but to God, and give thanks for what you've done. And then we'll be moving on, but we can have the chaplain do more praise by his blessings, and then tomorrow I'll get my staff in here to thank them, because I am truly thankful to my family who has come out here to support you all and our staff. So we can do that tomorrow, and let's get on to praising God and getting to the food.
What it do, world? It's your boy Chef Dix here. Went on a road trip this weekend. Ended up in Louisiana. I happened to be at Mr. Dookie Chase restaurant, legendary restaurant down here, established around 1941. Happened to be attending the National Black Association's chef events, and it's pretty dope. The restaurant is really beautiful. The artwork in it is grand. I love the feel of the restaurant. You know, sometimes you can walk into a restaurant, just gives you that feeling. You walk into it, you know. About to get dinner. Well, brunch, I could say. It ain't dinner. It's brunch. Wonderful things. Hey, what's up, world? It's your boy Chef Dix, and I'm here. And check this out. I decided to go on a road trip this weekend, and I ended up at the legendary Dookie Chase restaurant in Louisiana. Flight was great. Slept through it. Tried to watch Eternals again. Slept through it. Hotel's wonderful. Shout out to my sis. But I'm about to go in here and get brunch. Festivities have started. Shout out to Chef B and Chef C out of Philadelphia. National Black Chefs Association is getting it popping with their annual chef awards in these 2 days, and it's going to be held at the legendary, we gotta say legendary in front of that, legendary Dookie Chase restaurant, and it's on the corner of in Miro and Orleans Boulevard. So, you know, it's right down the street from somewhere in New Orleans. But now let me get in here so I can get eating. I'm gonna be touching base back with y'all. We're gonna see what we can get it popping. All right. What it do, my people? Since your boy Chef Dick said, yo, it is beautiful out here. Check this out. Check this out, this weather. Yo, I heard it was snowing back at home. I'm in the fight of the sun. So just got finished with day ones of the festivities for National Black Chefs Association. Wonderful time. Once again, you're always going to come in contact with someone with an amazing story. And I just left off from talking with a fella from down here. He's a pastry chef. He bakes, y'all, and he's blind. Yes, he bakes and he's blind. Crazy. That's a world of skill. That just lets you know, by just having faith. Because I listened to his speech, his testimony. By just having faith, you can do anything. But I think that was a grand testimony right there. Some people can't bake it, they got both of their eyes. But him and his wife be throwing it down. They said that they were just on the news down here yesterday. That's wonderful. Shout out to Chef B, Chef C. Shout out to the Dookie Chase restaurant for having it on the first day and the second day. The venues and tabs got switched around. Sometimes you have technical difficulties, but as long as you work through it, man, you just keep on grinding. So what I'm about to do right now, I'm about to have a little fun. Man, they know, about to get it cracking. It's your boy Dix, man. World's first rapping chef.